It's a rainbow.
How does the rainbow form? How does the colors get in the sky? They can't fly up.
Let's see how the rainbow forms.
Rain, rain, tip, tip down.
सूरज निकला, look around. Sunlight meet the drops of rain. Colors shine out.
Once again.
धूप और बारिश जब मिल जाए, आसमान में रेनबो सजाए. सूरज की किरणें बूंदों से मिली, 7 रंगों की दुनिया खिली.
Red and orange, yellow and green, blue and indigo. But don't forget violet.
Now you know how the rainbow forms?
Yeah. Rain sticks in the sun and then it forms colors. It's like a little triangle hitting sunlight and then the colors come out of the sun.